Mayong buntag kaninyong tanan. We are from Church of God, Dasma, and it's our joy na makasama po namin kayo ngayong umaga. And excited din po kami na makasama at inaanyayahan po namin ang mga youth at kahit hindi po youth, pwede na makasama namin this coming June 6 po sa Church of God, Dasma to attend the Asia Fest 2013 dubbed as Youth Empowered. Meron po tayo sa website, sa Facebook po, hanapin nyo lang po yung Youth Empowered. Meron pong online registration doon para sa gustong mag-register. Pero po, if you would want, pwede rin kayo makipag-coordinate kina pastor. Sila po ang mag-a-assist sa inyo kasi po may registration form yan. Alam ko po, nababiyahe pa kayo, so may gastos na yon plus yung pambayad pa. Pero keep the faith because the Lord will provide. Because this is a beautiful experience na mapuntahan natin kasi po, I believe that the Lord is going to do something great sa araw na yon. Ang atin pong mga speakers ay sina Ricardo Sanchez. He is a worship leader. Marami po siyang magagandang kanta. And of course, ang aming senior pastor, Pastor Anthony Velasco, and Pastor Tony Stewart of City Life Church. So, ang registration po for the ticket itself is 500. But I understand on your end, meron pong price pa for the food and lodging. Ay, ang alam ko po, i-adapt ata yung youth. Basta po, for more details, kindly visit po yung Facebook account. Maraming salamat po. God bless you. Daga salamat.